What's going on YouTube? My name is Todd with xking.com. Hit you with another video. Today's a nice day. Been okay so far today. Crazy, kind of a crazy day, but you know, God is good though. So the day is almost over with. Today's video, I want to talk about something I saw online that it's an interesting question to answer. Kind of a hard question to answer, but how can you make money online as a felon? So that's the question, and I'm not a felon, so I'm not talking from experience. I'm just going by what I think. Now, as a felon, it's hard to get a job. You know, it's really hard to get a job. So there's three things to think about. As being a felon, you can make money. You could get on YouTube and you can tell your story and what happened to you. You could get into a niche that's related to what happened to you. So look, I guess example would be Grand Theft Auto. You stealing cars. Well, you can do a car channel, talk about how you changed your life, what happened to you, and this is the things you like to talk about. But some people who are maybe felons don't want to be on camera, don't want to show their face. So the best way is starting a blog, a website, an e-commerce site, a Shopify site, because they don't know who the owner is. You don't have to post who you're about. I mean, you know, it helps, but you could post unanimously or whatever. You can do that way as well. And again, if you don't want to put your face out there, you could collab with somebody. You can find someone, you can find online that, hey, let's be partners on a blog. Let's say I write half the content, you write half the content, but we'll have your picture up there like you're the owner, but it's really a partnership, 50-50. Sign a contract, and then 50% of the profit of the blog will go, one half goes to one person, the other half goes to you. So in case you want to show your face on a blog or talk about yourself on the blog, you go and find partnerships. Also, well, partnerships, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to be on camera, you could be the audio person or the video person or the person doing the behind the scenes. See, people like that. People, if you know to edit videos, you could get paid doing that. If you have a buddy of yours who want to do a YouTube channel, is always scared to do it, don't know how to do it, or don't have the equipment to do it, or the video camera, whatever, or the editing software, and you'll edit videos, you could be, so look, you create the videos, I'll take the video, I'll edit it, and we'll put it on YouTube, and we'll split half the profits. There's always ways to make money without putting yourself out there. You know what I'm saying? Did you know that most movie stars make their money not by playing a role in the movie, by being a producer on the movie? The producer of the movies and shows and songs and music make most of the money. They get most of the profit because they produce the content. They don't produce the content, but they take their content and they edit it where it's enjoyable. So you just look at that. Most directors, people behind the cameras, make most of the money. So keep that in mind. Did you know that in football, most linemen makes the most money than quarterbacks do now, but the second paid probably the lineman. And linemen in the NFL, you don't know who they are. You don't know who the left guard is for the Vikings or the Lions. Who knows who they are? But we all know who the quarterback is. We all know who the receivers is. We all know the famous linebackers are. But some people who are behind the scenes makes the most money. So don't worry about, you know, if you don't want to show your face and tell your story, that's fine. Blogging will be the way to go. You can write articles on a blog and do it that way. You can also do online jobs. If you don't mind writing, you could go iWriter.com and sign up to be a writer, and people post content, and you can write their content for them. There are plenty of ways to make money online with skills. Whatever skills you have, you can make money. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, even if you can't find a job, which is really hard to find a job, you're a felon, you can do some outdoors work. I know a lot of people who have felons who have records, but those are the best people to have the best businesses. You know, they have landscaping business, they have car washing business, they fix cars all the time, and these guys are felons. And no job will hire them but they started their own. So don't look towards just finding a job. Look towards starting a business. Look towards starting something. You create content. If you know how to cut grass, start cutting grass for a living. If you know how to fix something on cars, do that for a living. You know what I'm saying? You don't always need to be at a job. You know, society has taught us to have a job, but in today's world, you don't have to have a job if you have a particular skill. And then these skills that you don't have, you can also learn. Take time and learn these skills, okay? But if you need somebody like a partner to partner with, go to meetup.com, meet up other bloggers and YouTubers, and put a post on Reddit, put a post on Warrior Farm, put a post on Facebook. Y'all looking for a 50-50 partner for doing a blog, and I only got 50-50 partner to do a YouTube channel. We'll split the profits down the middle. You know what I'm saying? And learn editing. Editing is not hard. You could do also what you could do is a video game channel. You could do a video game channel and don't even show your face. You just play the game and edit the videos. Learn how to edit videos with your gaming channel and make money doing a gaming channel. Then we learn how to do videos. You could take to a next level and edit videos. You know what I'm saying? Also, how you make money, if you just don't make videos, period, you can go to videos on YouTube that has the Creative Commons on it, which means that they're free to use as long as you edit them, and you hit other people's content and edit it yourself. So editing is a skill that you should be learning. It's not a hard skill, of course. What you need is a software to edit the videos. Once you have to add the software to edit the videos, all it does takes time. Go to YouTube, you learn how to do certain skills, you learn these skills, you keep on doing it until you get better. You create a whole YouTube channel based on other people's videos uploaded to YouTube, and you edit the videos out. And one example of this would be compilations, like a car wreck. You have like either you take 30 videos of car wrecks and you edit them out to make one video straight of all the car wrecks. That's an example. Another example is your favorite wrestler. Let's say you're I don't know, Stone Cold Steve Austin fan, and you go to these different videos. And I'm not sure you can use this content, but just using for an example, you could just have videos of him Stone Cold stunning people, in one video and make a lot of money that way. As long as it has the Creative Commons with it, you can do that. So there's plenty of ways to make money. You just need time. You need the equipment. You need softwares in place to make it. And you have to learn. You must learn you gotta learn these skills also. You gotta learn them. You know what I'm saying? Editing videos is hard, but there's YouTube to learn it. And then over time, anything in life that you do over and over again, you get better. Okay? If you start something today and you do it 3-4 times a week, you can't tell me by next month or 2 months from now, you won't be better. You won't be a better place that you was a month ago. You can't be it's like you buy a brand new game today. You bought a brand new video game today. You never played it before in your life. You can't tell me you play it twice a week, you still be on level 1. I'm pretty sure you play it twice a week for a whole month, you should be almost nearing the game, because that's how it works. So don't worry about what people think about you. Don't worry about it. There's a lot of ways to make money, but you will make money with not showing your face, not telling who you are, editing videos, mechanical work, programming, or ways. If you gotta make a logo, make money that way. If you gotta make good quotes, make money that way. Any skill online you're really good at, you make money. So that's just my video. I ain't make it too long, but that's just my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're not a felon, let's say you watch the video, you're not a felon, I just name a bunch of ways you can make money with your skills. And these things that I'm talking about, you could do outside your job. I know felons, I've heard of felons that the only job they can get is hard labor work, like cutting grass or construction or something like that. And that's fine. But you can still do those jobs. Plus, when you get home, you can do some on the side. That stuff takes time to build. You can't make money in 2 weeks from now. And that's to pay your bills or whatever. So why I suggest you do the hard labor work as long as you can. But when you come home, like I'm going to do today, I'm at home right now. When I get home, I'm going to start on my blog. I'm going to do YouTube videos. This video over here, I'm going to go upload to YouTube. And that's my side hustle. You know what I'm saying? My blog, my side hustle. I'm doing it outside my job. You know what I'm saying? So it takes time to build up. And once it's built up, there's a solid foundation. You know what I'm saying? So that's just my video. Thanks for watching it. And please share my video, like the video, and I'll see you next time.